How to find your wallet address in Valora wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address in Valora wallet app. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Valora application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your wallet account. Once you are logged in, you will be landed on this home page. Here, now you will need to make sure you are in this home tab. If not, you will need to simply tap on the home icon at the central button below. Then in this page, now you will need to look for an option Receive. You'll be able to see this option at the top row. Simply select the option Receive and then you'll be taken to a new page. This is where you can find your wallet address now. Here you'll be displayed with the QR code along with the alphanumeric address. Now once you see your wallet address, you can copy it by simply tapping on Copy Address and copy it to your clipboard. After copying it, you can paste it in the social media platforms in order to share. Or you may also tap on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen and then share your address with others for receiving cryptos. So this is how you can find your wallet address in Valora app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.